Hello, this is Nell in the Moon pattern. I'm adding 1.5 for those of you who really need in-depth instruction. The pattern will be available on my blog on Friday. All right, so I'm going to be revisiting the pants that I had initially started working on and then I made into a cape. Well, because the first part was intentionally supposed to be pants and I turned it into cape because I got so bored and tired of working on it, I have moved it onto my doll, and I'm going to show you how to turn the cape into the pants that I originally was working on, the mannequin dress form. So I tied this up here where the cape comes down in the front. I am going to get a piece of black and weave it through these so they can basically corset tie, and then we're going to continue the pants on down to go under into the crotch area. These two sides, if you see this, like it's hanging where your legs are, I'm going to do work all the way around here. Now, I'm going to leave a space because I don't have a whole lot of this particular yarn left. I'll show you, it's going to be kind of see-through through here, but we're going to cuff it. So they're probably going to be short pants, honestly. But let me turn this. This doesn't pivot like my other form does, but I like to work on it better because it's pretty stable. But in the back here, you see the work. I'm going to continue the work down to cover, you know, the bum, the butt, booty, whatever. I don't really like the term booty. Anyhow, we're going to go under here, and it's going to meet underneath. I've already got this tied together so I can see where the link is going to happen and how much on each side I'm going to need. It's about 5-6 square knots on either side that I'm going to be taking from. And then once I have this, I have to do this part and the front crotch part first, because from there I'm going to have to add a couple of pieces onto the inside of the leg, the inner thigh, in order to connect to make the pants close up. Okay, so that's how it's going to be done. But they're kind of like hip hugger. 20 square knots here in this 4-inch square. It's like from here to here, it's 20 rows and it's 4 inches. So if you want to double that for it to be longer, you need to add on another 20. Or if you just want it to come like the belly button of someone like 5'7" to 5'4" inches, you would need to add another 10. So really it's about measurements. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it's 20 and 4 inches, I would say that per inch it's 5 square knots, 5 rows of square knots. I am going to continue around here a little bit, around the leg holes, and then I'm going to leave all this open, and then I'm going to take some pieces and I'm going to go around and do either, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, but it's going to go around a few times till I get to the bottom of where I want the pants to end, where I have enough equal length of the yarn, and I'm going to go from there. I'm outdoors because the lighting's better.